everyone, this is Maisie from Maisie's Meals. How are you doing today? Today I am going to show you some salsa options, some spicy salsa and also some not spicy salsa. These are good salsas that you want to have in your fridge to add to your meals and to make your recipe simpler. Also, these are just good for snacking, to drizzle on your eggs or anything you want. And they're very natural and also made with simple ingredients. These are the ones that you do not get from the store, but you make yourself and know what you have in your salsa. Okay, so please subscribe and also join my family here, and also comment and like my channel and share with your friends and family and anybody that you want to share my channel with. I really appreciate your support. Also follow me on Instagram at Maisie's Meals and also Facebook at Maisie's Meals, and check out my website maisiesmeals.com. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first recipe, we are making some spicy salsa, and we need peppers, jalapenos, Roma tomatoes, lemon, garlic, and cilantro. And we're going to cook that and put it in a blender and make a great salsa. So here are the ingredients. Okay, so now we have these beautiful vegetables. We're going to chop them just like you see here. We just roughly chop them so it's easier to put them in a food processor and blend them. So we do the bell peppers or the mini bell peppers, then the jalapenos, then also the tomatoes. I used a couple of tomatoes here on this, and then a couple of jalapenos. Also I used some garlic like you see here. I used 3 garlics and peel them and just put them in the container so they are ready to go. So we cook this after we chop them. And now that we chopped everything, and let's have this and cook it a little bit. Let's go to the stove. So here I have everything ready, and I turn on my stove. I put a pan and warm it up a little bit, and then put all my veggies in the pan, and then start cooking them a little bit before I started adding my extra virgin olive oil. I buy my extra virgin olive oil from Costco. They have a good one and the price is good too. And then added some salt and pepper and cooked it more until these are like a little bit translucent. Cooking it gives it like more flavor, and it tastes really amazing. Okay, now that this is cooked, we're going to add it to our blender just like you see me here. Once that is done, we're just going to squeeze 1 full lemon, and make sure the seeds don't get in your salsa mixture. And then once you have done that, you would add your cilantro on top of this. So then start blending. And now we blend all those beautiful ingredients and make them into delicious salsa. Okay, let's go blending. So here we're blending our vegetables or bell peppers and jalapenos and tomatoes, and then we see if they have enough salt or anything we need to add. And I'm tasting it here right now, and it needed some salt, so I added some salt here and then blended some more, and it's ready to be eaten. So I'm going to store this in a glass container or whatever container you have at your house. I'm using this funnel thing to just make sure I don't mess my countertop, and then just like so beautiful, and you could use it on anything you want. So we've made this 2 containers. These are really good, spicy, delicious salsa and very healthy. We can keep this in the fridge for maybe 2-3 weeks and they're good still. So no preservative, delicious and healthy. So let's put them in the fridge. Okay, so we're going to do hummus now. Hummus is very delicious and simple and healthy meal to do, or salsa. We can call it salsa or dip. And I'm going to use some garbanzo beans. This is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to rinse this so we don't have any excess salt on it. I'm going to use some tahini sauce, lemon, garlic, salt and pepper, and of course extra virgin olive oil. And let's go ahead and do that. So here we add our ingredients one by one in our food processor. I added the garbanzo beans, the garlic, the tahini, 1 full tablespoon of tahini. You could add more if you want to. And I buy mine from Whole Food, the 365 brand. Then I added some salt and pepper and also some lemon juice. I used 1 whole lemon juice. You could use half, but I want that acidic taste in there, so I used 2. And 1 full lemon. And also I added some extra virgin olive oil in there because hummus without extra virgin olive oil, it does not taste good. I added some water in there, and now I am going to process this. As you can see, we're processing it and it is just so good. I added some more extra virgin olive oil while it's blending or food processing. Then we're going to test if it needs anything, and it tastes really amazing. So I'm going to plate this. I put it in a bowl and also drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil. And also I added a little bit of paprika on it just to give it that zing, but you do not have to do that, but it looks really beautiful like you see it here. And then I am going to eat this, or present this with some flatbread, warm flatbread, and just taste it with that. With that, we just had a great time. Me and my children ate this. So it is really good, and you can also store it in a glass container just like so and put it in your fridge. You can eat it with some chicken, pita bread, chips, or anything. So here is another good salsa that I'm going to show you. This is going to be made with also simple ingredients. We need cilantro, lemon, jalapenos, avocado. You can eliminate the avocado, but it gives it a creamy texture. You can also replace the avocado with some Greek yogurt or some vegan yogurt. And also some garlic and ginger, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. That's all we need, and it's so delicious. Let me show you that. Alright, here are the ingredients: cilantro, jalapenos, garlic, lemon, ginger, and avocados. I roughly chopped the cilantro and put them in a food processor, and also add the rest of the ingredients to the food processor. I chopped the jalapeno roughly. Also, I used 3 jalapenos. You do not have to use that many if you don't want to, but it tastes very good when it's spicy. As you know, we love spice in our house, so we added 3. I added some avocado. Avocado is so good. That's good fat usually, and also gives it good creamy texture. I added some lemon juice. I used 1 full lemon. Then garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and half a teaspoon of ginger. You could use fresh ginger here, but I did not have it, so I used the ginger paste. I also used some salt and pepper, and also add some olive oil on top, a little bit of water. And then start blending. So here we are blending it, and make sure it has gotten the right consistency, and also test that. And then once we do that, we just put it in our little jar. So here I am putting it in our jar, and we can also save this for a long time and use it on so many different things, and it looks really so green and beautiful. So we have made all these salsas today for you, and let me show you what I used: our green salsa and our the red salsa. So here we have some charred tortilla, corn tortilla, and added some eggs and also some chopped tomatoes, onion, and some chopped cilantro. Then we topped it with, guess what? Our salsa. We used our mini bell pepper salsa, and also we used our cilantro salsa. You could use both or one of them. So it tastes really good. Good for breakfast. We can also eat it for dinner or lunch. We just love this in our home. All right, so we have done all three salsas. I hope you're gonna make them and enjoy them yourselves. These are good to add to your recipes. The hummus was wonderful. We have tasted it, and we're gonna use this on veggies, chicken, anything you want. You can drizzle it on top and it will taste mwah. And then here is this, our favorite salsa. We also eat this with injera. The injera, it's so good also. So you could use this on anything. Okay, so I hope you'll make this, and also send me pictures of what you have done on my Instagram, or just let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching, and see you on another video. Bye. May God bless you.